Hey, hello, and welcome to our next installation of the Putz Intro. I'm your host, Ron A. Zajac, and Putz is a crossword puzzle development system. If you're not interested in that, get out of here. If you think you're interested but are still a little confused, it may be that you haven't watched the first 4 installations. Go back and watch them in order. And what we're doing is we're building a puzzle. I'm showing you how easy it is to build a puzzle. We found a 9x9 tableau. We stamped out a puzzle using it. The puzzle's name was, I believe, Volume. Yes, there it is, Volume. And at this stage in the game, we've already filled the puzzle with words, and we're cluing it. I didn't make you watch me clue it, but I'm at the end of the process here. I'm looking at the last clue it's asking me to define, clue number 32 of 32 words. And it's tis, and let me see, I like that, 56, we'll use tis the season, okay, fine, 56, tis, it's good, okay, cool, we say go, and it says done, and it resaves the file automatically, and regenerates the Finder file, which means actually if we go back to the Finder file and refresh it, suddenly now it's finished. It knows it tells you here that it's finished, and if we go down, look, they're all blue, and all the information is in there. All right. So, and if we go actually to, say, this thing here, all the clues are down below. Here's all my clues. So the thing is completely clued. Now, really, all that needs to be done is create. What I provide support for is the creation of a what do you call it? A cross light. There's a company, Litsoft, I believe is their name, and they created a puzzle-solving infrastructure program thing called a crosslight. We can create an crosslight.puzz file. We can create a Word document, a PDF. So really, basically, what I personally put out there at this point in the game is a crosslight file and the PDF. All right, we can do that. First, actually, we have to make a title. I'm noticing here that the prompt is prompting us to make a title. We have to title this thing. There's 2 references to pigs. There are 2 references to pigs in this puzzle, so I'm inclined to make some kind of piggy name. It's pig. There's pig. I could have sworn there were 2 references to pigs in this puzzle. Where were they? What am I thinking? Sty. Oh, that's right. The style, home on the farm, and there's pig, truffle finder. All right. So I'll give it a name. These names are usually arbitrary. If you make puzzles with extended multi-word hand-filled clues, then maybe you'll have a theme that's more tied in with that. But here I just say title home on the farm. I like that. Home on the farm, one of the clues. So now it has a title, and now it's saying create the across light, the Word, and the PDF. So we'll do the across light first. Help across light, and it tells us there's a port option, so that's what we want, a cross light port. And it brings up a cross light. There's our puzzle. We say save as, and we have to go through the stuff here. Putz, work, volume, Puzz files, and we say volume, and we're done. That's it. We get out of here. That's done. Now we have to do Word. Word. We just type W, and it brings up Word, and it tells us to create a doc or docx and a PDF. Now, this is a bit arduous, actually. So what I'm going to do is just simply tell you that you use Word to create a beautiful paginated version of your puzzle, generate a PDF, and when you exit all that, you get control of Putz again. And at that point, you can archive. At that point, you should get it out of your workspace, out of your directory listing of local puzzles in process. You know, it's finished. You're done. You archive it. You can archive it and get on with your life. Make another puzzle or go on a date. It's up to you. And I think we're about there. Let me just let's give an example of what I'm talking about here. I'll do a save as. And I'll just be sure to save it as a Word document. Okay, I say save. And now at this point, I go through the process of making it very pretty, making my puzzle beautiful. So that's pretty much it. We've made a puzzle. We actually have a finished puzzle. Oh, one thing I should mention is that in Word, one thing you can do is run around and see if Word has any issues. Like Word will give you feedback regarding words it doesn't understand or grammatical things it doesn't understand. You're bound to find some, and some may be genuine misspelling errors. And you can go back, you can fix it in the original Putz version of the puzzle file, and go back and maybe rewrite it into a crosslight. And essentially go through an iteration like that if you find such errors, which there are none here. So I can just go ahead and generate my Word file and make it very beautiful and create a PDF, and that's it. I've created my first puzzle, and you watched me do it. Well, not my first puzzle. I created my first puzzle in front of an audience of adoring fans. So. Consider using Putz. Tune in and check it out. You can come to my website. That's ronazajak.com. That's one word, R-O-N-A-Z as in zebra, A-J-A-C as in cat, .com. Up on the front page there, near the top, you will find a link for Putz. Punch it, read about it, download it, diddle with it. Have fun with it. And if you have any questions, of course, you can write me, and I'd be more than happy to lend a hand. All right? So until then, take care, and Putz away!